my suggestion to nations of the world how to construct their small social structures outside of the family is different from how I would see it in Israel. I see that most of the European countries already have their histories and their culture and their legal structures, which would prohibit the definition and the broadening of the horizons unless there's great crisis. And the same with other Western countries and with most Asian countries. Countries which have been highly destabilized or have undergone crisis are more likely to accept and to consider alternatives. Israel is in a double bind. On one hand, it is modern and it has an ancient culture. On the other hand, it still hasn't formed its its positions. It still doesn't have a constitution. I believe that Israel can lead the way by developing an optimal constitution that requires of governments to function in a certain way based on the liberties of the individual. That the government must be measured and must have laws forcing its conformity with the individual satisfaction and is measured by the individual satisfaction. Imagine a situation where the individual will could bring about the functionality of an entire government process and the coordination and the curation of small groups of people to manage and oversee our shared governance and our structures. This could be the the next stage in social development.